Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this GarMills Wise Soft Jar Pads 6-inch non-marring multi-groove protectors. It's non-marring. The two-piece multi-groove Vise Jaw protection will work with the most 4-inch up to 6-inch, that means 100 up to 150 millimeter bench vises, and it will prevent marring of more delicate surfaces such as soft metals and wood. We have here a quality design manufactured from quality TPU, and they are soft enough to protect delicate surfaces from damage, yet touch enough to hold items in place. And best uses. We create for our DIY projects, art and crafts, jewelry makers, gun smithery, golf clubs holding delicate objects, and damage-free assembly and repair it. And it's really simple to use, as you can see. It is embedded magnets attached to the steel vise jars and hold them firmly in place, and works with the most bench vises, clamps, drill press, millers, and more. And we have a groove design. Multi-groove pads have 5 round grooves, 90 degrees angles, one 16 inches, 1 8 inches, 1/4 inches, 3/4 inches, 60-degree angle, 32 inches. So you have enough groove design here. The two-piece multi-groove Vise Jaw Protectors with 6 inches will work with the most 4-inch up to 6-inch bench vise and will prevent marring of more delicate surfaces such as soft metals and wood. This magnetic Vise jar pads will work with any 4-inch to 5-inch vise. The mill clamps or drill press to help the protect of the metals, the wood or other delicate objects while holding them firmly in place. The embedded magnets in each keep vise jars or we insert firmly in place while we work and help prevent scratching, scuffing or marring of more delicate surfaces. They are manufactured from really nice plastic, thermoplastic, TPU, and they are soft enough to protect the surface from damage. They can grasp and hold in places wood, plastic, metal, threaded objects, tubing, or anything round, irregular or flat objects. The multi-groove pads have holding slots to keep round objects in place. And typical applications which benefit from using this padded vise protection, including DIY projects, is arts and crafts. And you can see it's really easy to attach on your device itself because there are built-in magnets, and these magnets keep them in position. This is a really awesome additional thing for your device in the workshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.